Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up ZPN for V2Ray Settings. For more updates on VPN, visit our blog. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you haven't already, check out my previous video, where I guide you on creating your V2Ray server. You can find the link in the description below. Alright, let's get started. First, download and install ZPN from your mobile app store. Once installed, launch the app, and you'll find yourself on the home screen. Next, here's the key step: check the V2Ray box to activate the V2Ray settings. This is crucial for configuring your VPN. To configure V2Ray, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. From the menu that appears, select V2Ray to access its settings. Now, click on the plus icon in the top right corner. This is where you import the server you created in the previous video. If you're using SNI with this server, don't forget to enter a valid SNI in the designated field. For more about SNI, check the link in the description. Once everything is set up, return to the home screen and click on the Start VPN button to initiate the connection. And there you have it. You're now connected through ZPN with V2Ray settings. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful. If you encounter any issues or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy browsing!